Welcome weather enthusiasts to the latest weather forecast for the United Kingdom. But before delving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. Dear viewers, during this Saturday, the weather will be unstable with rainfall in all regions and cities of the kingdom due to the influence of an Atlantic low-pressure system. The rain amounts will vary from one area to another, with the highest rainfall expected in regions marked on the map in green and yellow, reaching 15, 20, 30 or 40 millimeters, especially in Northern Ireland, Wales, some Western Islands and certain towns in England. The central and western parts of Scotland will experience lower rainfall. Despite the semi-warm air brought by this Atlantic low, the continued impact of the polar air mass, especially in Scotland, will lead to the condensation of water vapor into snow in the upper atmospheric layers. Therefore, there is a chance of snowfall in many areas of Scotland, especially in the central and western regions. Most areas in Scotland are expected to witness snow, except for the eastern regions, which may experience no snow or very light snow. Additionally, some snow is expected in Northern Ireland, Northern England, and the Northwest Islands. As mentioned in our previous bulletin, the eastern side of the Atlantic low will result in the formation of strong wind gusts ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour in most areas of the kingdom. Caution is advised, as these winds will accompany the rain. The sky will remain cloudy throughout most regions of the kingdom during tomorrow, Sunday, December 31st. Rainfall will continue from moderate to weak, especially in the early hours of the morning in England, Wales, northeast Scotland, and the Northern Islands. There is a possibility of very weak snowfall in scattered parts of Wales and northern England. Scotland, especially the central inland areas, will experience cold weather. Strong winds will persist in southern England, southern Wales, and the Northern Islands. As for Monday, January 1st, some very weak raindrops may continue in the northwest of Wales, northwest England, and most islands of the kingdom. However, there is a chance of weather stability and clear sunny skies during the afternoon in central, east, and southeast England, North Wales, northeast Scotland, and Northern Ireland. However, during Monday night and Tuesday, January 2nd, rainy weather will return to the kingdom. Moderate rain is expected on Monday night in England and Wales, with heavy rain expected in Northern Ireland. Then, the rain will extend to the rest of the kingdom on Tuesday. Some snowfall is expected in Northern Ireland, Northern England, and Scotland. The sky will remain cloudy to partly cloudy on Wednesday, January 3rd, in most regions of the kingdom, with continued weak rainfall in scattered parts, especially in Wales and central and eastern Scotland. Some very weak snowfall is possible in scattered parts of central Scotland. Now, here is the snow accumulation during the period from this Saturday to Wednesday, January 3rd. Between 5 and 20 centimeters in areas: Ballater, Braemar, Taffside, Clover, Kirkton of Glenisla, Pitlochry, Strathdon, Kingussie, Dalwhinnie, Aberfeldy, Bridge of Balgie, Killin, Tindrum, Tarbert, Callander, Crieff, Aberfoyle, Loch Gilphead, Inverarray, Garlochhead, Lochawer, Alston, Stanhope, Barnard Castle, Hawes, Kirkby Stephen, Moffat, and Carsfern. Less than 10 centimeters in areas: Preston, Lancaster, Settle, Burnley, Kendal, Penrith, Crook, Skipton, Lofthouse, Laban, Richmond, Northollerton, Bishop Auckland, Durham, Prudhoe, Bellingham, Hexham, Holtwhistle, Horsley, Rothbury, Carlisle, Workington, Keswick, Ambleside, Shap, Sedberg, Langholm, Galashiels, Harwick, Dumfries, Dunbar, Edinburgh, Armidale, Lanark, Cumnock, Newton Stewart, Girvan, Ayr, Glasgow, Stirling, Greenock, Oban, Perth, Forfar, Turriff, Buckie, Dufftown, Elgin, and also Aviemore, Inverness, Fort Augustus, Fort William, Kinbrace, Betty Hill, Rose Hall, Kinlochbervie, Lochinver, Ullapool, Gairloch, Achnasheen, Stromaferry, Malaig, Tobermory, and also Portree, Ballyvanich, Omagh, Enniskillen, Cookstown, Coleraine, Armagh, Ballymena, Limavady, Dungiven, Magera, Clogmills, Magherafelt, Dungannon, Auga, Irvinestown and Ballyclare.